Johannesburg earthquake.
Something's about to blow. Guys, something is definitely about to blow. This is in the middle of town. Look at the roads, taxis. This is like the middle of Jersey, bruh. Taxis are piled up on top of each other over there. It is not safe. Something's happening. The pipelines are gonna blow.
Now, something smells fishy. Something just don't sit right with me about this one. Why is this not on the worldwide news? Why am I hearing about this from TikTok? So Johannesburg just went through an underground explosion. So the official story goes that there was an underground explosion through some gases. But to me, something ain't right. So we're not sure how many people was injured, and we're not sure about the full extent of the damage. But my heart goes out to anyone that was affected and any families that was involved. Stay strong.